here to see how, Oreos packed in a package, a certain amount, and then, done over and over.
Sorry.
And then we also, some people know it's healthcare division, so like the blood pressure, you walk through the whole thing, and kind of fits with that saying.
Yesterday I was at the...
Check it out. We got a metal cross.
OMRON for STEM.
I don't know where the line just started or where it is, but
Okay, that's fine.
That's exactly what I
Instagram or
did.
Twitter.
I didn't. What did you say? I was just
Instagram or Twitter, either one.
I'm not that much of a tech person.
welcome
But
to
you're here.
Busted my phone yesterday. I was at T-Mobile all day. I lost one whole day at CES.
Oh no. Folks, I'm at the OMRON booth, and this is another OMRON robot, but I want you to take this in to absorb just how freaking fast this machine is doing a job that a human does, right?
exactly.
Got it. Look at this. I mean, isn't this, turn that camera. Get that camera up there. Let me talk to your people. Folks, this is the future and you should be frightened. You should be. I'm serious.
Yep.
Because here's why. Imagine in 6 years where this will be. This could be an android that looks like you. That's freaky. You ever watch Emergence? Yeah, this is real life, man.
You watch Dark Mirror? Black Mirror?
You know, I haven't watched that yet. Everyone tells me I need to check that out. Yeah. Hey, subscribe to Zenny62.